need your guys' help with something here. I have this vibration that's started recently, but it's definitely getting worse. Here, coming home from Daytona, it is noticeably worse than even a week ago. It starts about 80. It's very prevalent in the 90s. It is load dependent, meaning it doesn't seem to be affecting it according to RPM. Whether I'm doing the same speed in 4th or 5th, it's different. It's worst in top gear, especially here at 90. I feel it in the bars. You can see the foam shaking up and down, but if I pull in the clutch, smooth as glass. If it's a tire issue, I've never seen this kind of issue before. Every time I've had a tire out of balance, doesn't matter if it's under load or not, you pull in the clutch, it's still out of balance, it's vibrating. Nothing. And it's only at the extremities. Even at speed, absolutely glass smooth on the tank and the frame itself. It's a harmonic somewhere, but I've never seen this kind of issue. It started after I put on these Roadtec 01 tires after I got back from my last trip, and it's been progressively getting worse. Have you ever experienced something like this? Is it a tire issue? That's kind of what I'm thinking. I had thought that, well, maybe it was a fuel injector issue, and I cleaned them, and it did make a little bit of a difference, but now here up in the upper extremities, no, it's definitely still there, and like I said, getting worse. Have you ever seen a tire issue like that, where only under load, under torque, does a vibration show up? And it sort of changes if I let off the throttle. Not nearly as much as if I pull in the clutch. It's instantly gone if I pull in the clutch. But if I just roll off the throttle and come back down, it's a subtle change, but it's definitely still there. Like I said, let me know if you've ever experienced this. I do have another set of tires. I've got the new Road 5s from Michelin to put on. I was going to put those on the FZ, but you know what? I might just swap out these tires simply as a test. These are certainly not worn. They have thousands more miles on them, but I'm not happy with the results of these tires. Regardless if this issue is the tire issue or not, I'm not happy with these Roadtec 01s. And I've been contemplating switching them out early. This would be the first set of tires ever that I would have swapped out before they were actually done with their life. But I just don't like the way these are running. They grab the grooves in the road very sharply. At slow speed, the front tire feels like it sometimes wants to wash out just from the way it grabs at an angle. Two up at low speeds, very squirrely. Just not liking these tires. So I might swap them out simply as a test and see what happens. See if this goes away. Let me know.